The Ganiza 6-in-1 hand blender is equipped with a robust copper motor that delivers remarkable mixing power and durability, making it suitable for a busy kitchen environment. This versatile blender features a unique dual-rod system that significantly speeds up the process of frothing milk and whipping eggs, turning them into light and airy textures with ease. Its stainless steel 4-leaf blade is designed to ensure a smooth consistency in sauces and soups, while the scratch-resistant guard protects your cookware from damage. Offering 15 adjustable speeds and a turbo boost option, this blender provides precise control, making it a perfect tool for creating a variety of recipes from smoothies to soups. The detachable components and convenient hanging loop make it easy to store and clean, especially in smaller kitchens, with most parts being dishwasher safe. This comprehensive set includes various attachments such as a mixing beaker, chopper, whisk, and more, making it an excellent gift choice for culinary enthusiasts.